If you run out of paper in the cash register, that's how you take it out. You pull from the bottom here, pull it out. You take this cover and you pull it up. You take the roll out, you bring new roll in, you make sure you pull this out, lock it, and pull it out more. Then we bring this, you want to fill it from the bottom, and the paper, you want to fill it from here. Just like that. You plug in at the bottom, then at the top, and then you read the receipt down, and it's all good. In case it still show you paper error, what you can do, you can disconnect it from the power, replug it again, and usually you will be set, because sometimes it's getting stuck, and this will reset the machine.